Take two. Let's see how loud people get. Marilou Danley, Stephen Paddock, on the $100,000 question. Marilou Danley is a citizen of is not a citizen of the United States. She's a citizen of Australia. To improve compliance with U.S. tax laws imposing certain due diligence and reporting obligations, foreign non-U.S. financial institutions have to comply with U.S. laws if they want to be in compliance. They don't have to. In 2015, the Philippines entered into an intergovernmental agreement, IGA, to comply with this rule. Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act, FACTA. It requires non-U.S. foreign financial institutions, FFIs, to search their records for customers that have U.S. person status in some way. This is very vague on purpose. And then report the assets and identities to the U.S. Department of Treasury to ensure that those U.S. person status individuals file tax returns, because tax evasion is very commonly done this way. See also which group opposed it immediately. U.S. citizens are required to report information about assets over $50,000 on Form 8938 for that purpose, attached to their tax-paying American income tax returns in April. Marilou Danley is a citizen of Australia. Stephen Paddock's an American citizen. Look up the 2003 Fair and Accurate Credit Transactions Act versus the 2010 Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act. And see also the Republican National Committee passing and failing a resolution calling for the repeal of FACTA, because I guess it hit too close to home. It would have set off an alarm in the United States, but it's only for tax evasion purposes. Otherwise, it's just considered money transferred. It can be almost any amount. That's completely independent of what the bank or network decides to report voluntarily. Those are different rules. But under FACTA, no. This wouldn't have set off any alarms and shouldn't. Also, it's listed as a single transaction of $100,000. The way you do it is do a bunch of $9,000 transactions from a bunch of different accounts. Or get 100 accounts and do 1,000 each. If you're curious how to launder money. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.